nature explorers. We are nature explorers. We connect with nature. Kupora mapiri kuona malo sangalatsa ndiye zatuzokonda. Ikakala ine neo ndiyo chilengetwe cho popanda ine.
Tapanga maulendo mwina omakwana 700 ila mpiri mwantu matukupira ni ndrama zao ulendo marani
umatega
fika antu amaja asubwini 5 ndikaenda antu amaja wakati wa refreshment hapo bas next hapo waizio
umakwana
mena onena zokuti mafada bange sikamtola sakudziwa chabe faya babana nyangu
umakwana
paki ili mene extra motivation
ati watopa iwe
yes
watopa iwe
no sir
usona bwanje
mara
here anthu amanena zokuti sitiwanisa and this time around tilephera ungayankhulepo zotani
alright magezi amayankhule kuzi zingamachitika lesi singafane control kaganizidwe ali sakho zonke manga yankhulile bona ifeyo kachikunza kuti on 6 July
yes
ena azakhala akusaka umagama kuti tsiko lizakwanisa zaka 61 lozira mulira tinakonza kuti tsumene lili azakhala kuita ku Zomba mountain hiking Zomba mountain. So we are on set and we have just started the journey. We are climbing to Zomba mountain.
All right.
We just wanted to let them know that we are on the ground.
All right.
This is true.
Nature explorer. Nature explorer you. Oh my God.
Nature explorer, tending in you connect with nature. Nature explorer, exploring the wonders of nature and connecting with the mother nature. Alongside the taskmaster, indeed you have mastered the tasks. I master, lead organizer, receive your flowers. Show your presence, accept the value. DJ and Mashia bigger. Nature explorer.
Wasn't an easy journey, as it is said, only the fittest to survive. So we have managed to conquer this reaching this far. As you can see, the beautiful scene of Zomba city. It was so hectic. So tiresome journey, but we have managed to come this far. And of course, this is not the end. We are still going upwards until our final destination. The benefits and the goodness of this hiking, fitness, mental health, as well as it encourages social interaction. As we have seen here, we are different people from different backgrounds, but we are here, and of course different professionals.
All right, Mr. Dayton, we appreciate for your good time.
Thank you.
Sure.
Sina zo pwe odi di ende tundo wene za fige hapa mabetarani tawani sefani zimene rimarani timavanga nikane ukuthi ndizofunika ezi zimathandiza bathandiza umakhala fiti aiziwa umakhala kuti uli fiti umakhala kuti uli bwino kupanga interacting neja kuona neja ulifa umakhala mzungwena ka majoka ujemana mazuwa zikwathu kosefe mazuwa phirira jawe kosefeyo mbe ndimwayiwo kuti ngati uli pena pake magaza kupezi join now bajane bene kuti nawe sizikhala kuziwapo.
Hello guys, this is Imas representing Nature Explorer. Hey my guys, salame. It wasn't an easy journey. Komabe tayesesa mpaka nakuza fika panopa. As you can see tajogera kumene kucha amene sisi ndizophweka amwene kwa magezi amene timadandaula ndi ma answers, timadandaula ndi ma BP ya kuphwanya kwa nthupi. Ndikoza kusimikizana nazo kuti iyi ndi njira yachidule imene mungathe kupangira kiwa matenda ngati atiwo matenda ngati amene.
Adds up the value. Iche and Mashia bigger. Nature explorer. Jendi ineo connect with nature. Nature explorer. Jendi ineo connect with nature. Nature explorers, we are nature explorers. We connect with nature. Kupora mapiri kuona malo sangalat sandieza tuzi.